In acupressure, pressure points are greatly sensitive parts of the body. Some believe that operating pressure on our body's pressure points can help relieve headaches. There's a large bonus to human touch and tissue massage, but reflexology and acupressure aren't well-studied practices. Although more scientific research is required to confirm the touted health benefits, many people turn to pressure points to relieve their headaches. These pressure points have limited side effects and the ability to reduce pain and promote relaxation. In this video, on parshealthhtv, we are going to be sharing with you 7 of these pressure points that can help you to relieve headaches. Stay tuned with us. What are pressure points? Pressure points are parts of the body that are believed to be very sensitive and can trigger relief. Doctors of reflexology believe that touching pressure points can improve your health, relieve pain, and restore balance in the body. What is reflexology? Reflexology studies how one part of the human body connects to another. This means you may have to massage a place, like your hand, to treat the area like your head. If you want to learn more about treating your headache this way, it's important to know how to do it right. The science behind pressure points and headaches. There is not much science to support using reflexology to treat headaches. Our studies are small and need to be expanded. However, few studies have addressed this issue and how massage therapy on the head and shoulders can relieve headaches. This sometimes involves stimulating pressure points on the head. In a small study, scientists examined how massage might help 4 adults experiencing chronic tension-type headaches. In this study, massages reduced the number of headaches per study participant during the first week of treatment. At the end of the treatment period, the average number of headaches experienced by each study participant decreased from approximately 7 headaches per week to only 2 headaches per week. The average duration of a study participant's headache was also cut in half during the treatment period. It decreased from an average of 8 hours to an average of 4 hours. We should tell you that pressure points don't function the same for everybody. But if they work for you, they will be a great, easy, and quick way to ease your headache. If it doesn't work for you, it's worth trying. Each hold will be about 5 to 10 seconds, and you should know how much pressure you must put on these points. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's see where these pressure points are located. Number 7. Thumb pressure point. This pressure point is helpful for headache relief. Not severe migraine headaches, but tension and dehydration headaches are influenced by this pressure point, and you may feel relief. Finding this point may be a little tricky, where the thumb and your pointer finger meet each other in a little meaty area between a muscle called the nerve muscle, which is a big thick muscle. While you are pushing it, you may feel a little tingling in your finger. If you feel it, you are doing it right. Hold it pretty hard for 10 seconds. You can do it 4 times on each side. Number 6. Tendon triangle area. The place of this pressure point is a little higher than your thumb joint up top. You can use the other thumb to push that area. It is not necessary to push exactly on the tendon triangle. Pushing the area around it is also helpful. This pressure point will help you be more relaxed and relieve the headaches that are caused by anxiety and stress. If you are stressed out, it will help you a lot because it almost kind of resets those muscles, resetting the whole meridian in your body. This is also another good point for pain relief for headaches such as tension headaches and dehydration headaches. These headaches are those that you feel on the front of your head and in the back of your head. Number 5. Union Valley. Union Valley is located on the thumb of the index finger. To treat a headache, pinch this point between the thumb and index finger of the other hand for 10 seconds, then massage this area with your thumb in a circular motion from 2 directions for 10 seconds. Do the same steps on the Union Valley point on your other hand. It is believed that this type of pressure is very useful for relieving tension and head and neck pain. Number 4. Drilling bamboo. These points are located almost between the top of the nose and the eyebrows. The shape of the bridge reaches the top of the nose to the eyebrows. To press these points, you should place both index fingers on these 2 points and slowly massage them for 10 seconds and release. Repeat this. Pressing these points relieves headaches that occur due to eye strain and sinus pain. Number 3. Gates of consciousness. The gateway points of consciousness are located at the base of the skull, in the parallel cavities between the 2 vertical muscles of the neck. To use these pressure points, you should put each hand's index finger and middle finger on these points and then massage firmly for 10 seconds. Repeat this several times to relieve headaches related to tension and neck stiffness. Number 2. Third eye. The third eye point is located right between the 2 eyebrows and above the bridge of the nose. Using the index finger of one hand, massage this point for 1 minute. The pressure of this point relieves headaches caused by eye fatigue and sinus pressure. Number 1. Shoulder well. The shoulder well points are located at the edge of the shoulder, halfway between the shoulder and the base of the neck. To use these pressure points, with the thumb of one hand, massage one of these points firmly and circularly for 1 minute, and then repeat this work on the pressure point of your other shoulder. Applying a firm touch on the shoulder well pressure points can help relieve stiffness in the neck and shoulders, relieve neck pain, and prevent headaches caused by them. Using pressure points is a non-invasive and relatively risk-free practice, so it is usually safe to use alongside doctor-recommended treatments. Feel free to share your ideas and opinions in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe to our channel. Are you looking for more amazing health-related videos? Don't forget to watch more of our videos on the left and right of your screen.